Okay, next question is construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So in rough sketch, I will take BC as 8 centimeter. Angle B equal to 45. So take this angle 45 degree. Okay, suppose this is BC 8 centimeter, this is 45 degree. Now AB minus AC is 3.5. If suppose I take this point as A and this AB minus AC is 3.5. This is the first variety of the difference question. Other variety could be AC minus AB is 3.5. So what you will see, if angle B is given, if angle B is provided to you, and the side which is attached to it, if this is larger, which I will be discussing in this video, then it will be AB minus AC. But if angle B is given, but side opposite to it, AC is larger, then it goes to AC minus AB is equal to 3.5, which I will be discussing in the second video. Okay, for in this video I will be discussing this variety. So coming to the construction part, first of all I will take this BC length as 8 centimeter. For the sake of clarity, I will make it a bit larger over here, but you have to make it exactly 8 centimeter. So suppose taking this point as B, this as C, this is 8 centimeter. Now angle B is 45 degree. For 45 degree you all know you have to bisect 90 degree. For this, taking this as the R, P as center and any radius I draw an arc. This is 60 degree. From here to here it is 120. Now bisect 60 and 120. This will be 90 degree. So this will be 90 degree line. Make it with a dotted line, because we have to bisect it to get 45 degree. For 45 degree, taking this more than half, bisect this 90 degree from here, and the 90 degree one is here in the main arc. This is the main arc, here it is 90 degree, not here. Here you have to keep the compass. So this one is 45 degree line. So I have got angle B is equal to 45 degree. This one is 45 degree. Make it a bit larger. Okay. Now AB minus AC is 3.5. So what you have to do? In this compass, you have to take the radius equal to 3.5. Okay. So here you keep the 0 mark, and here it is 3. This is 3.5 between 3 and 4. So here it is 3.5. Okay. So now this length is 3.5. Okay. Keep this tip at B. Taking B as center, I am drawing this arc, name it as X. So Bx I have taken, this was 3.5, so this length Bx is 3.5. I will write it here. Bx is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So in next step, you have to join this C and X. Whatever point you have taken, this one is 3.5, this arc length. You have to join this X and C. Now you have to take the perpendicular bisector of this XC. Okay. In order to get the perpendicular bisector, again we come to compass. Taking BC as center, take any length more than half of it. More than half of it. Take one arc over here, another arc over here. Without disturbing it, place it at X. Since we have to take the perpendicular bisector of this line, so one from C, one from X. So what you will see, it will intersect at these 2 points. I have to just join these 2 points in order to get the perpendicular bisector of this CX. So I will join this with this. Let this line intersect this BY at point A. This perpendicular bisector of this line CX, this intersect this BY at point A. Okay. So ABC is the required triangle. So I have to join this A and C. So ABC comes out to be the required triangle. What you will see, this angle is 90 degree, and this length will be equal to this length. Suppose name it as T. So I am telling that CT is equal to XT. Okay. Now I will do the justification part. See the justification part. In triangle ATC and triangle ATX, you will see AT is common in both. So AT will be equal to AT, that is common. Then this angle 90 degree is here. So angle ATC will be equal to ATX. So angle ATC is equal to angle ATX is equal to 90 degree. Then CT is equal to XT. Therefore, triangle ATC is congruent to triangle ATX. By which rule? This side was common, this side was equal, and angle between them, this, are equal. So SAS by SAS rule. From this, what we will see, this AC length is going to be equal to AX by CPCT. So you will be writing AC will be equal to AX by CPCT. Okay. Now see, what was this BX length? This was 3.5. We have taken the arc of 3.5. So BX is 3.5. Now Bx could be written as, this length could be written as this entire length AB minus AX. From this entire length, if you are going to subtract this, you will get this Bx. So Bx could be written as AB minus AX. So I will be writing AB minus AX. This is 3.5. Now see, AX is equal to AC by CPCT. So you will be writing AB minus AC. This one is 3.5. Why? AX is equal to AC. So see, Here AB minus AC is equal to 3.5. Here also AB minus AC is 3.5. So this was the entire construction. Practice it, make it 2 to 3 times. It might come in exam. Thank you.